6 Benefits of Home EV Chargers. An electric vehicle is an investment in the future, but it comes with a lot of new ways of doing things that you may not be used to if you're just leaving the world of combustion engines. One of the biggest issues electric car owners face is how to keep their cars charged up so they're ready for the day ahead. There are several things you can do to extend your electric vehicle's mileage range on one charge, of course, but being able to charge securely and safely in your own garage is one of the best benefits of home EV chargers. Let's talk about some of the benefits. 1. Home EV chargers are convenient. Public electric vehicle charging stations are nowhere near as common or convenient as gas stations. Not yet, anyway. This leaves you with the need to plan your routes to find them, and if you do, they may be out of service or in use by another EV driver. With a home EVSE, electric vehicle supply equipment, in your own garage, you can simply plug in when you need to and be ready for the day in most cases. 2. Home electric vehicle chargers give you more control. Today's home car chargers possess technologically advanced settings you can program to schedule and maintain the battery according to the specifications of your particular model of electric vehicle. This gives you more control over the charging process and helps you extend battery life and mileage range. 3. An EVSE can save you money over time. There are several costs to owning an EV: the price of the car, maintenance costs, and yes, the cost of installing an EV charger at home must be factored in as well. It also costs money to charge at a public charging station, often more than it would cost to charge at home. Fortunately, however, charging your electric car overnight, during off-peak hours, can save you money, and you won't have to deal with the fluctuating, and often high, cost of filling up at the gas station. EVSE installation will cost more upfront, but it will save you money and hassle in the long run. 4. Longer battery life with a home electric car charger. Just like any other battery, your electric vehicle's battery will wear out over time. There are ways, however, to lengthen battery life for as long as possible. Public charging stations are often those fast charge spots, and while they are great when you're in a pinch, they do tend to wear the battery down faster if you rely on them. Using a home charging station that you can configure and charge to the optimal amount at the manufacturer recommended speed will make your battery last longer. 5. An EVSE at home can boost your home's value. As electric vehicles become more and more common, homebuyers will be more inclined to choose your home and pay more for it, should you want to sell it, knowing that you already have an EVSE installed so they don't have to. 6. Be a part of lowering emissions for the Earth. Of course, one of the best home EV charger advantages is that you are doing something good for our community and our Earth. Every electric vehicle that replaces a gas-powered vehicle reduces the Earth's CO2 load by an average of 1.5 million grams, or a little less than 4 airline flights between Washington, D.C. and Orlando, Florida. Visit our website at routeelectric.com for details about electric car charging station installation service.